a pumpkin pie blizzard from Dairy Queen. Trying it right now. I can't hold it and try it, so we're gonna kind of go like this. Sorry guys. Do want a food review, babe? That was just whipped cream. Look. Oh, here. Oh, guys, go get yourself some. You know, I'm the typical white girl. That's what I want. Pumpkin pie everything. So delicious, guys. Thumbs up. Do it. Food review. Dairy Queen pumpkin pie, or pumpkin pie blizzard. Give it 5 stars. It's so ultra delicious. This pumpkin pie blizzard from Dairy Queen is ultra delicious.
I think I got the nervous poos.
Ew, Mr. Chubb's got nervous poos.
No,
Oh, so gross. Nervous poos and pumpkin pie milkshakes do not go together very well. Anyways, way to ruin my pumpkin pie blizzard with your nervous poos. So, anyways, guys, I'm telling you, totally telling you, do it. Do it! So delicious. If you want to try it, if you're like me and you love pumpkin pie or anything, do it. So, game over for the Chubbs family. Say goodbye, nervous poos. Nervous poos, goodbye bye. Oh, good luck, Mr. Chubbs. Bye, guys.